So welcome back everyone. In this video, I am going to share short trade analysis on NZDUSD. So let's get started with the daily time frame. So if we look at the daily time frame of NZDUSD, we can see a nice key level which has been acted at support as well as the resistance several times. Some of moves has been as liquidity sweep or fake out, right? So currently it is acting as a resistance area, right? Now why I'm planning a short trade over here, there are reason behind it. So let's jump on lower time frame. If we look at 2 hour chart, we can see once again, we can see a nice break below this level, then retest, and again price came down and took a support on this current order block or fair value gap, whatever you can call it. And now in this case, price has started to grab this liquidity, and what I am expecting is price to reverse from this area till this key demand zone, right? So if we look at fair value, sorry, fixed volume range, we have got some volume spikes over here, which has been swept. If we look at this area, uh, there was a good liquidity over here, which has been swept till here, and this now what we can expect from this is we are it's yeah, less likely to happen, but nobody knows, right? So what I am expecting is price can move little bit uh, up till 0.6850, right? And clearing this liquidity or this spike zone, it can again push down till our target, right? So we have got two major events tomorrow. Yeah, we have inflation number coming in, and the forecast is negative, I think, below previous prior number, right? So we can expect a good strength in dollar for tomorrow's CPI numbers if it comes uh, above the forecast, right? Because why I'm saying that is I'm not expecting numbers to reduce. Like if we look at last 2 3 months economic numbers of US, and the rumors has been created of US Fed is that they are going to hold rate till July, and still nobody knows the exact rate when it's the first rate cut is gonna happen. So, and if we jump at today's news article of Reserve Bank of New Zealand, so let's read this. RBNZ is seen pushing back against bets on early interest rate cuts. So here's the thing: New Zealand Bank, Reserve Bank of New Zealand is pushing back against the bets on early interest rate cuts, which means that they are going to hold rates, and everyone is going to hold rate until the US Fed cut their first rate cut, right? So central bank expected to hold cash rate at 5.5% on Wednesday. So they have already decided to hold cash rate at 5.5%. May see policy needs to stay restrictive for prolonged period. So you can read this article via Bloomberg. The Sir, New Zealand central bank may this week push back against investor bets again that interest rates are coming. Even though the economy has slumped into the deep recession, the Reserve Bank will keep the official cash rate at 5.5% for sixth straight meeting Wednesday in Wellington, according to all 15 economists in a Bloomberg News survey. They expect policymakers to stress the need for rates to stay restrictive for prolonged period to tame inflation. So, what policymakers are expecting to stay keep interest rate on hold till they tame the inflation, so they can make a well uh, well what we can say for the a precise decision on cash rate. So yeah, and on the other hand, we have posted. Okay, so this is on AUD We have posted a key events on economic and data reels. But yeah, therefore, while short-term bullish signal are observed, traders should remain vigilant on and factor in Australian home loan data, US consumer inflation expected, and Fed commentary, and for a comprehensive outlook on AUD USD movements. So we have CPI numbers tomorrow, and as well as uh, RBA Reserve Bank of New Zealand statement. So if you look at other business related threats, so shadow board overwhelming in favor of keeping OCR on hold in April. So OCR official cash rate, right? The New Zealand interest rate monetary policy showed board recommends the Reserve Bank of New Zealand keep the official cash rate at 5.5% in the upcoming monetary policy review on 10th of April 2024. Shadow board members agreed that inflation was easing, but there was uncertainty over whether the pace of this easing would be enough to bring annual CPI inflation back within the inflation target band over the coming year. The general view was that it would be prudent for the central bank to wait to assess how the economy will track over the coming months, given uncertainty over the global growth outlook and the new etc. So this news is monitoring us that every central bank is waiting for the major Fed rate cut, right? So everyone is holding. Otherwise, if we look at previous December, January articles, that even ECB and BOE was expecting to cut their first rate cut in April or May. But if we see, it has been delayed till June and July. So still, there is a lot of uncertainty if we look at US recent data. Yeah, these are recent numbers, and as we can see, everything uh, almost everything is in green and now showing a potential robust economy indicating, right? So it's more federal bank needs a reason So if they get consecutive 2 to 3 negative inflation numbers, then there might be a early rate cut like in June, right? And yeah, and overall look, if we look at the overall economic data, so interest rates are similar between NZD and USD, New Zealand 5.5%. So yeah, and let me show this. Yeah, yeah, this was our AUD JP USD trade, which has been successfully gone in our favor, hitting our full target of 160 plus 140 pips, which was posted on Discord. Anyone new to channel, they can join our Discord. Oh, okay, I have posted this swing buy on AUD USD, right? So let's get on this main. So I have already entered in this trade with 50% of my position size, and I'm expecting if we get tomorrow some hawkish stance at Reserve Bank of New Zealand monetary policy, price can spike a little bit higher until we get inflation numbers. So yeah, I'm expecting price to reverse from this area if we even if we get till here, and the stop loss are quite 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Yeah, I have a set stop loss above this area, so there is some 10 pips room. So let's see, and yeah, we need price to we are expecting price to come down around this area till the April end. Target is simply 1 is to 2 on first position, and second one 1 is to 4 if it triggers, right? So you can plan your trade accordingly, my followers, those who are viewing this video, right? So yeah, see you in next video, guys.